Understanding Sow Your Wild Oats. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're exploring a particularly interesting phrase, sow your wild oats. Let's unravel the meaning behind this expression and discover its usage in the English language. Whether you're a language learner or simply curious about English idioms, this video is for you. The phrase, sow your wild oats, is used to describe a period in a young person's life where they behave somewhat recklessly, often indulging in pleasure-seeking activities or relationships without much thought for the consequences. The oats in this idiom refer metaphorically to wild behavior, and sowing implies spreading or indulging in such behavior. Tracing back to agricultural practices, sowing oats literally means planting oat seeds in the ground. However, when prefixed with wild, it takes on a metaphorical meaning. Historically, oats were considered a basic, yet essential, crop. The notion of wild oats suggests something untamed or not cultivated deliberately, akin to youthful indiscretions or adventures. The phrase has been in use since at least the 16th century, evolving over time to symbolize the actions of young people exploring freedoms and making mistakes along the way. Sow your wild oats is often used in a cautionary or reflective context. It can serve as advice to enjoy one's youth, but with an underlying warning about the future consequences of these actions. Here's how you might encounter it. In advice, they say it's best to sow your wild oats while you're young and have the chance. In reflection, looking back, I suppose I sowed my wild oats during my college years. It's important to note that while the phrase can have a playful or nostalgic tone, it should be used carefully due to its implications about behavior and responsibility. The perception of what it means to sow your wild oats can vary significantly across different cultures and generations. In some contexts, it's seen as a natural and even necessary phase of growing up. In others, it might be viewed with disapproval or concern. Understanding the cultural nuances and the audience's sensibilities is crucial when using or interpreting this phrase. Sow your wild oats is a phrase rich with history and meaning, encapsulating a phase of exploration and sometimes recklessness in youth. Like many idioms in the English language, it offers a colorful way to describe human behavior and life stages. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of this fascinating expression. Remember, the beauty of language learning lies in discovering the stories behind the words. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more intriguing phrases with you in the future.